5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So the basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now body 1, 2, back charge. 5, 6, 7 on the slide. Right away we're going to turn around 1, 1, 2, 3. Get back in the slide, guys. Right hand goes behind the back. 5. So when we follow her, she's going to grab it on 6, 7. And we're to the right side of the slide. Now we're going to give her a carry through. So I'm going to step back on 1. I'm going to turn my body. Left hand goes over my head to the right. 2. Now my left hand's going to go down. The right hand goes up. 3. Now I'm going to turn her with the right hand on 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to let go of the right hand. Pull with the left on 1, 1. I'm going to stop her on 2. Now I'm going to bring her back on 3. So this is actually turning her the right hand. So now I'm going to step together. 5, after the left hand and back charge. 6, 7 to the left side. So now on 1, we're going to connect like this. 1. I'm going to push and stop. 2, stepping to the side. This is going to make her prep. So now on 3, I want to make her step in place. 3. Now we're going to start turning her on 5. Bring her forward. 6, 7. Give her a 1.5 right. 1, 2, 3. Straight 5. Straight 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1.5 left. Turn 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Catch the hand. We're going to do a carry through. 1, 2, 3. Hop turn. 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to start turning to the left right away on 1. Stop on 2. Then we're going to go back to the right foot on 3. As we finish turning. 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to turn again. We're going to go forward on 1. Turn to the right on 2. As we stop. Make sure that you hold the back here for stability. Then you go back to the right foot on 3. Start turning to the left. 5, 6. And then as you start putting your weight on the left, start turning to the right. 7. Then you turn it 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross leg. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
What's up guys, it's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.